I got a 2023. I'm gonna hook it up a 112 kicker square 10, and I basically got power fuse holder down here. I heat shrink this, this gonna be a 1/2 inch. We're gonna put a on a. Actually, I'm gonna have to do a 350 amp because I'm using 150 amp fuse right now, so I don't wanna. Well, I mean, I won't overpower that, but I'm gonna put it on here instead. So it's gonna be a 1/2 inch, and then we're gonna put power like so, like that. Remove that, and then I got the ground all the way up there, right there. I was trying to do right there, but I didn't want to drill it. It can go outside and get wet. I didn't feel like it, but there also is a ground right here that you can do like underneath there if you don't want to do any ground. But I was trying to do it like this so I can be able to access to it. Remember, this is convertible, so you only got this much room out here. And then I'm gonna show you how I did the remote and a line out converter. How I got the accessory. I took the green plug out. So let's say, for example, the green, you push this thing, squeeze this in and pull it straight out. See this clip, push it in, squeeze it, and then it is on pin 5. It is violet and yellow, and that would be accessory for the amp turn on. And then also you want to come over here, you want to hook up the line out converter. You got blue is positive, and then you got the orange blue is negative. So I'll show you how to do that on out here. So I'm going to show you, this is a kicker made by Kicker. It's Kiss Lock. It does not have a remote output. So you want to have a gray, black, and white, black right here. See, gray, black, and white, black. You want to hook it up to the negative, which is orange and black. No, orange and blue. And then you got the white and brown, white and gray. You want to hook it up to the blue. That would be positive. Both of them like that. You only need one side. I don't know if someone tell you you need 2 sides. Well, you do it that way if you like. Yes, even though this is convertible, you would have thought that it doesn't have an ANC. Yes, it does have an ANC. So basically, you want to pop that off. They got 7mm right there. You want to pop this off. Once you pop this off from the bottom, you kind of lift it up a little bit and pull it out. There's 2 of them, one right here and one right there. Once you got that, you can take a flathead and pry this out, and then you'll be able to reach to this ANC right here. There's 2 of them, one right here and the passenger side right there. Same thing, like on the right hand side.